Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So this is going to be my mistakes video, and I'll be explaining about my trades which had gone wrong. So let's get started. So these are the trades, and first of all I'll be just looking into the higher time frames to remind myself that what were the scenarios. So these are the scenarios. Okay. There we go. And here it is. So back then during the Asia session, we were sweeping these highs and we were having liquidity right here. So I was anticipating the price to move into this downward side and take all these liquidity and then move into the upward side. And we were also having an FVG left right here. So I was anticipating the price to move into the downward side for that, and I shorted it. So I'll be just showing you where did I short into the market. So I'll be just making it 5 minutes. Okay. So this is the 5-minute chart, and I saw an order flow right here. The price was sweeping the highs into the 1 hour, and I was anticipating the price to move into the downward side, but the price did not follow this order flow and it took my stop loss. Later, it had also taken the low of these equal lows, and so I was anticipating if we are going to respect this order block, then we are going to go into the upside direction, and then moving from the 4-hour POI we will be falling into the downward side. But no, we didn't do it. The price was reluctant to go into the higher direction. I sensed it by the close of these candles. We didn't get any higher closes, so I exited the trade right there and there. But later the price broke below it, so I took a short trade but couldn't hold till my stop loss was gone. So my stop loss was still safe right here, but I exited the trade manually. So this was my mistake right here. Later, I was anticipating the price to be really bearish, and I saw this FVG really close to the market, but it didn't actually happen like that. So I entered a short right here when the price made a strong high into the 1 minute. I entered it right here when the price was reluctant to go into the higher direction, but it took my stop loss. So I placed a last trade right here into the 15 minutes. I'll be showing you. So we were having quite a good FVG right here. The price was moving into the downward direction. So I was having a flip zone right here. The price was having a flip zone right here. So I shorted it right here, and the price took my stop loss and moved into the upside direction. So these all are my trades. And what was the mistake which I did? So the major mistake was right here, that we were into a sideways zone where the bullish pressure and bearish pressure was not clear. Rather, we were also having an FVG right here, and this was this equal lows. The price did move into the downward side, but this FVG was made later into the market. So I was anticipating this FVG to be filled, but moving into the 1 hour, I was anticipating these lows to go to and this FVG to be filled. But here I ignored one thing, which was this order flow, a swing which was already being mitigated by the market. So the market didn't come to this level, and we stripped it and moved into the higher direction. So one more thing which I wanted to add, that I rushed some trades right here like this one, and I exited it manually. So I think that exiting the trade manually was not good. If it was just close to my stop loss, I had to wait. And here I think it was a good trade because we were having an FVG left here, but the major issue right here was that 4-hour sweeps into the higher and lower direction, and I was not having any bias clear in the market. I'll be considering these things into the future, and I won't be trading into the sideways market. So if you find any other reason which could be the cause of my stop losses, do let me know into the comments, and How was your trading day today? Do let me know. What was your strategy? If you had made a profit, do let me know into the Discord and I'll be interested in learning your strategy. Thank you for watching.